Cannot send a text message to this number. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix cannot send a text message to this number problem on Twitter. So all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is just wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps. Scroll until you find Twitter, click on it, click here on force stop and then go down to the storage and click on clear data and clear cache. After that, go back to the home page, open Play Store and search for Twitter. After you search for Twitter, click here on update. If you found the update option, you have to click on it so you get the latest version of Twitter. Don't forget to like, subscribe.